I'm at Coffee Dream Factory in Hainan province, a place where local coffee is no longer a local product. It's becoming part of an international supply chain.
Hainan Island, known for its beautiful landscapes and its rich culture, is fast becoming China's powerhouse. With the establishing of the Hainan Free Trade Port, this island is transforming into a global hub for trade, innovation and investment.
With a blend of advanced technologies, sustainable practices, and international trade opportunities, this facility is perfectly aligned with Hainan's economic development plans. A cup of coffee may seem simple, but behind this cup of coffee is an entire international supply chain.
And a set of trade policies unique to the Hainan Free Trade Port. The Coffee Dream Factory operations are a direct result of the Free Trade Port policies, focusing on creating a smarter, more sustainable economy.
Here, coffee is not just brewed, it's also designed for international markets.
With the establishing of the Hainan Free Trade Port, companies here are benefiting from policies that allow materials to be sourced globally and products to be sold worldwide with lower tariffs. Under policies such as zero tariffs on important raw materials and exemptions on processing value-added tariffs, the cost of production has dropped significantly, boosting international cooperation.
It says right here that the coffee arrived in Hainan by the overseas Chinese, which returned from various countries, and they had the habit of growing and drinking coffee.
Coffee Dream Factory is also a destination. Production lines operate alongside cafes, exhibitions, workshops, and entertainment facilities.
Coffee production should not be hidden, it should be part of the travel experience.
From local production to global distribution, this coffee factory is more than just a business. It's a reflection of Hainan's new economic era.
So next time you are enjoying a cup of coffee, remember that it could be very well part of Hainan's bold new journey, from here to the world.